It's been described as one of the most shocking events that a church congregation had to witness, and that's the taking out of Miss Garwood as she sat in church last week Sunday for her regular Sunday day service. Hi again and welcome. This is Links WL7 TV. Let's talk, and we're about to discuss this on the program after the police have made a major breakthrough within the case and have so far stated that they have taken a number of suspects into custody, especially the man behind the entire operation that took place within that church. There have also been voice notes circulating online which speculate what might be behind this. We have that to share with you right now, right here on the program. We ask you, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're always in tune whenever time we post new videos. This is the place where you get the best and quality and credible information about local and international news updates. We'll be right back after this short break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links WL7 TV. Let's talk. Thanks for joining us, and wherever you are watching in the world right now, much love and much respect goes out to you for always being a part of the Links TV family. What a sad story, and that's the story of Miss Andrea Garwood. As she sat in church last week Sunday, unknowingly to her that would have been her last moment and the last time that she would have been seen alive. Now the police have made a major breakthrough within the case in less than 24 hours and have so far taken the trigger man into custody and also other persons in relation to the crime. But before I divulge the details of that, let me just update you in relation to an image that has been circulating online as it relates to this person you're seeing on screen now. The police have so far issued a statement, and the police wishes to make it clear that the individual pictured below is not wanted in connection with any crime or incident currently under investigation by the police. The police have also stated that the man's image has been making rounds on social media and has so far resulted in significant threat to his life and family. As such, the constabulary is urging citizens to desist from creating false narrative about the individual, which can be very life-threatening. The police have also advised that this man is not in any way related to the crime of Miss Garwood as well, and has so far asked the public to desist from posting his image in relation to that crime. So that is just an update to bring to you before we get into the details of what transpired to Miss Garwood. So there have been a number of speculation going on online in relation to what might be behind Miss Garwood taking out last week Sunday. And I can tell you that that situation has left the whole entire community in shock. It has also left the entire church congregation in shock. Can you just imagine those people that would have been seated beside her when this all unfolded? This has left a void in the community, and this has so far triggered widespread condemnation from all walks of life about the taking out of Miss Garwood as she sat in church for her regular Sunday day service. Now we have some voice note in relation to what people are talking in the street as to what led to her demise, and we're going to share those with you right now. Might I remind you that these are just speculation and not necessarily what might have led to her death, and we're just going to share those with you right now, right here in the program. So stay tuned for that coming up now.
I want big story this that Kaya Clan married to the man. Make the man selling house. When he supposed to left this house where the man said the wife by the first wife. Or the first wife buy the house that the man sell it to them buy. You understand? Because the lady, I know her very well. I know the first wife, she's such a sweet lady. She used to work at one insurance company because she didn't try to get work for my daughter at the same insurance company. And the lady died from cancer. And he buy the house and they have one child together. You understand? But the man have other children. And this a woman never did know. She let the man sell the house and then buy one different house in a fair name, everything in a fair name. The boss when the man have everything in a fair. Go fit change over everything in a fair name to you know. She not fear. She not fear. And that is why she dead. And me talk, you know, they say Garwood people them are not easy set of people them. I know easy set of people them. Me go to funeral and me and them in an argument about park and me just drive right, left the funeral. Because I don't want them come kill me up there. Then come from mouthpiece, you know, Hanover. You may tell you? Right. I went to the funeral. And me and them catch up there. As I say, a park. But God will make good friend. She's very wicked. She's a very wicked woman. Very, very wicked. If you want to rob for the man, children, them. You can't do that. See, we're dead. See it there? I'm gone.
Dispatcher them. I'm dead. Late last year. Some bad man did a run down. Bad man a chase bad man and then crash in front of Iberia Star. Them running a van with the bus where man did a drive in front of Iberia Star and them dead. Them dead at the hospital. So man that woman did married. But there's a problem now because some house problem and land problem because she had the wife. Them say she not share it right. So a long time. Even when she went to the funeral, a bodyguard she'd go with.
Get the news fast up there. Out my ears have some credit card. Something a man to go be wash dismantle. And I know how true it is, or the good thing is that then get the license plate. Nobody care where the boy going now. So then we track that plate there to the owner. So then we soon know how it go.
Yo, Shen. The woman are going with a whole heap of things in that car because the woman rob up the whole of Garwood money, you know. We didn't pick them, you know. Run out to pick them out to the house and all, man, have evil, you know, brother. Woman wicked tip in them, you know. Woman make Garwood sell out the whole line house, man, put the whole line money in her name, you know. And run out in little 14-year-old son, I think he 14-year-old son, you know. Wicked, God would have about 3-4 bus, the woman run God the insurance claims everything, you know, youth. Because Garwood first wife is dead. So he run got married to this woman, and this woman that claims everything left you them pan in face. All one house of Rosa, the woman wanting to sell, you know. When him first wife is built, you know. Brother, a whole lot of things that woman are going on with, you know, man. Yeah, man, I got a Garwood wife, man. Can I see a picture? If I see a picture, the man got the insurance for the brand new bus. The woman claims every dollar and don't give you them none, you know.
That one.
Yo, Shen. The woman are going with a whole heap of things in that car because the woman rob up the whole of Garwood money, you know. We didn't pick them, you know. Run out to pick them out to the house and all, man, have evil, you know, brother. Woman wicked tip in them, you know. Woman make Garwood sell out the whole line house, man, put the whole line money in her name, you know. And run out in little 14-year-old son, I think he 14-year-old son, you know. Wicked, God would have about 3-4 bus, the woman run God the insurance claims everything, you know, youth. Because Garwood first wife is dead. So he run got married to this woman, and this woman that claims everything left you them pan in face. All one house of Rosa, the woman wanting to sell, you know. When him first wife is built, you know. Brother, a whole lot of things that woman are going on with, you know, man. Yeah, man, I got a Garwood wife, man. Can I see a picture? If I see a picture, the woman got the insurance for the brand new bus. The woman claims every dollar and don't give you them none, you know.
So these were some voice notes that made rounds on social media this week in relation to what transpired to Miss Garwood. The police have so far confirmed that it was a family matter without stating any real details behind what transpired. but many can relate to this story and have so far said that they believe that some of what is said in these voice notes are actually true. Now the family is left to grapple with the real reality that Miss Garwood was viciously taking note. And as the police carried out their investigation, the police have so far reporting that the man that is believed to be the one that pulled the trigger is actually in police custody. And a number of other individuals as well have so far been taken into custody. But all I can say when it comes to family issues and family disputes over land, house, cars, we have seen how these have spilled over into violence in numerous instances and stories that we have covered in previous reports. And it's just so sad to see how material things can get the better of people in certain situations. Not saying that this was the actual real reason behind Mr. Garwood's taking out, because it's still under investigation. But in other instances, we have seen people life being taken for numerous reasons, and it's always over. Might be a piece of land as well that was left for someone, a house that was left for someone, and these have been triggering our crime rate significantly throughout the past few years. We have seen a number of people losing their life based on this, as one party decide that they want to have the entire property for themselves, and then when the other family member try to make peace or try to settle their difference, it then leads to one being taken out, or sometimes even the whole entire family is left wiped out. But all I can say is that this is a very sad situation that transpired here in Trelawney. And I just hope that the family does find the strength to cope during this difficult time, as well, especially to the staff at the National Commercial Bank, where she would have been an employee for a number of years now. And it just goes to show that we're living in a time that is so serious right now, where you can't take certain things for granted. And most of the time, some things that you look or you overlook, you have to be cognizant of the fact and be thinking whether or not this is the right choice for you to do or the right choice for you to make, because the hearts of people has gone so cold right now, and you have to be very careful with the things you do and the things that you put yourself in the position for at times, because you know people nowadays, things that you take simple, they take it to the extreme, and they take it to the extreme in the way that they believe the only way to settle the problem that they're having with you is to get rid of you or wipe you out totally. So you have to be careful with the things you do and the things you say. So this is where we're gonna leave this one here for now. Just thanks for watching Links of Love 7 TV. Let's talk. And we have an updated report to bring to you in relation to this, as it relates to what the police commissioner had to say as well. And DCP Fitzbailey as well also gave an update in relation to that. So we'll have a follow-up story about this. But thanks for watching. This has been Links of Love 7 TV. Let's talk. Peace out and much respect goes out to you as always. Bless.